Dear friends, Namaste. I am Rajesh Jeevadas, CEO, Espirit Toyota. I sincerely hope that you are all doing well and we will see this pandemic through. As we are about to commence our operations after the lockdown, we at Espirit Toyota are adapting to all the guidelines laid down by the Ministry of Health and Government of India. I also assure you that our premises will be sanitized and we would be using the best possible gloves, masks, and we would be regularly sanitizing our premises. We sincerely look forward to meet you at the safest and the best dealership. A warm welcome. My team would be in touch with you to talk to you about the further processes. Once again, stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind.
Hello everybody, I am Sunil Taneja from Espirit Toyota, Odisha. I hope everyone is staying home and staying safe. For us in Toyota, safety is the most important aspect of our life. Right from the time we design our cars, we manufacture our cars, we deliver our cars, we service our cars, we ensure that safety is never compromised on. I'm very pleased to say that our dealership has now resumed operations, and any valuable customers of ours who desires any help can reach out to us and we'll be there. Thank you.